Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to make your SharePoint site public in 2025. Whether you're a business pro looking to share documents with external partners or just want to make your team's site more accessible, this guide will get you up and running quickly. SharePoint has evolved a lot, with new features in 2025 making it even easier to manage permissions securely. But first, make sure you have admin access to your Microsoft 365 account. That's key to avoiding any roadblocks. Let's jump right in with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Microsoft 365 portal and navigate to the SharePoint Admin Center. It's usually found under the Admin section in your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Sites tab to manage your site collections. Step 2. Select the site you want to make public. Click on it, then go to the Settings or Permissions area. Here, you'll find options for sharing and access. In 2025, Microsoft has streamlined this with a new External Sharing toggle. Enable that to allow external users to view or edit content. Next, Step 3. Under External Sharing, choose Anyone with the link or Specific people based on your needs. Remember, making a site fully public means anyone can access it, so double-check your content for sensitivity. You might also want to set expiration dates or password protections for added security. It's all about balancing openness with safety. Step 4. Save your changes and test the link. Share it with a colleague or friend outside your organization to ensure it works. If you run into issues, like permission errors, head back to the Admin Center and verify your organization's sharing policies. And there you have it. Your SharePoint site is now public and ready for the world. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize data security in 2025's digital landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.